Welcome back to the channel. This week's adventure for me is going to be pretty awesome. I'm going to show you, I'm going to install a wing on my Losi 5T. Now you're probably thinking, why the hell do I want to watch somebody just install a wing, an aero wing onto my Losi 5T? But no, this is going to be something special. As you know that I'm a bit of a crazy scientist and I love quirky and almost gimmicky things, but like this is my shelf queen and I love her to bits. So look, I'm going to install this. A special thank you to stupidrc.com for reaching out and asking me to see what my thoughts are on their new aero wing. And I've got to be honest with you, a little bit of a secret and a little bit of a, I love it. But wait to watch what it can do. So look, stick around. I'm going to show you how to install it and I don't know, probably give away the secret and the hype about what it can do. But hey, look, it's part of the fun. And at the end of the day, at the end of it, you're gonna come back and then I'm gonna show you in its full glory. Okay, so it's time to put everything on this beast. So basically you will need to take these 4 screws off. This is a Losi 5T. Just make sure that everything does line up before you actually start. Yeah, so we are taking off 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the back half is off. So what you'll need now is to get your bracket. And basically the bracket, just no pre-hole, you don't need to drill any holes at all. The bracket just goes into the to the mount just like this. And then you just put everything back together. Easy as that. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so as I mentioned before, this wing isn't like an ordinary wing. It is something magical. As you can, maybe you've been watching my channel so far, is that I do like unique, different things, and this is one of them. So it is an aero adjustable wing. So basically, when you push back onto the throttle as you are braking, this wing will automatically go up. So now let's install the servo into this. Okay, so it's installed. Love it to bits. I hope you liked the installation of it. I will need to stress that you need to go get your own small standard servo. Now you can pick this up from any RC website or shop. I went to Campbelltown RC and yeah, they're a great bunch of blokes there. I'll put the link in the description. Check out their website, all their stuff, what they do sell. They don't just sell 5th scale RC, anything RC related. They do have the parts for, or if they don't, they will source them out. The moment of truth. So as you can see that it has been installed. It's there, ready to go. And now let's see, and yeah, let's see what it can do. All right. Turn on my controller. If you haven't done so already, like, subscribe, do all that fun YouTube stuff because it really does help me out. Write down in the comments your thoughts of this awesome little wing that I've got. Turn it on. Okay, so basically throttle. As I go faster, the wing will drop, giving me more aero. And then as I brake, it will give me a lot more aero to basically wind brake. Pretty easy to install as well. So look, I hope you like it. I'm gonna turn this off. Hope you like it. Like, subscribe, do all that fun YouTube stuff because this one was a heck of a lot of fun. If you've got any comments, your thoughts, I know that like, oh, why? Like I get these comments a lot where it's like, why though? Like, because I can, because I want to, because I want to show you what other different things are available for your Losi 5T. So look, like, subscribe, do all that fun YouTube stuff, and I will see you big, beautiful bastards next Monday.